Hey guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and today I am excited to bring another video for you guys, and we're going to be learning how to make Clickbank sales step by step with no website, guys. This is a highly requested video, and I'm excited to bring this information to you. If this is the first time you're at my channel, again, my name is John McNeil, and if you like to make money with affiliate marketing, with internet marketing, this is the channel for you. So you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the little John McNeil icon in your right hand corner and click that little bell icon so that you're notified when I release any videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video: how to make money with Clickbank sales with no website, step by step. I think you're going to like this, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and the way we're going to be making Clickbank sales is we're actually going to be using a website called Yahoo Answers, right? So Yahoo Answers is basically a website in which many people go on here and they just ask questions right here in this search bar, and they ask questions and people read their questions and they respond to their questions. And just to kind of give you an example of how much traffic this website actually gets, if I went over to simplerwebs.com, you can kind of see here that this site is getting about 533 million visitors every single month, guys. So the traffic is actually there. It gets tons of traffic. It's targeted traffic because you're going to be basically responding to people's questions that are asking. The people are going to be asking questions. You're going to be responding to those questions and then recommending a affiliate product that might help them out. So if we pop back over here to Yahoo, you can actually see that there's a lot of conversation already happening. These are like the top trending questions at this current moment as I'm making this video. So what you could do is basically you could kind of scroll down here and read some of the questions that people are asking, and then go over to clickbank.com and try to see if any of these questions can they correlate to a product that you could potentially find at clickbank.com. Or what you could do is go over to Clickbank initially and just find a product. So say we wanted to go over here and let's just find a product. Let's go into cooking, food, and wine category. You can do this in any single niche, and guys, and you can actually do this over and over and over again with different products, with different questions. But we'll walk you through this process real quick. So, I just clicked on the cooking category and I'm going to find a product real fast. So, okay, let's just look at this product here. The Ketosis Cookbook plus 4 bonuses book. So this is a cookbook for the ketosis diet, I guess. And what the ketosis diet is basically, that's, if you guys don't know, that's kind of like a low carb diet. A lot of people are trying to do like the whole low carb or no carb diet. And this is a cookbook. So if I wanted to sell this particular product, of course, I got to get my affiliate link. You guys already know how to do that. You just hit promote and put in your ID. I would basically take my affiliate link and then I would go over to Yahoo and I would just basically type in that keyword ketosis. And I would kind of just browse to kind of see what questions are people asking about ketosis. And you can see here it says, what are blood glucose levels during the state of ketosis? How can I reach ketosis? And how long would it take? How long would it last? How fast can someone lose weight on a low carb ketosis diet? So that may be a question that you may want to respond to. I can also type a question in. I could say, what are good foods to eat for the ketosis diet, right? So here it is. You see somebody's asking, how do I start the ketosis diet? what can I eat, blah, 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 whatever. So you click on that and you can actually see somebody, they're asking this question. How do I start the ketosis diet? What can and can I not eat? And when and what times can someone help me, please? Okay, that question was a little difficult to read, but the person is asking, what can I eat on the ketosis diet? And this is a perfect example because we just found a product over here at Clickbank for a cookbook for the ketosis diet, right? So basically what I would do if I were you is I would respond to these questions, right? And so people are all here responding to questions. And typically what happens is when somebody gives a really good response, it'll get flagged as a best answer. So you want to make sure that you want to give a good response to whatever the question is. So what I would particularly do is I would probably go out to then Google and just get like a little bit of information about the ketosis diet and how it can help people and like what type of foods you can eat. And then I would basically write a response to this person's question and give them some good information about the ketosis diet, right? And then you could say, if you're interested in preparing meals, good healthy meals for the ketosis diet, maybe you want to check out this product, the cookbook, right? And then as people are visiting this thread and they're reading your response and people are giving you the thumbs up, whatever the case may be, you're going to get a percentage of people that are going to click on that link that you have, that you've left in the description under your response. It almost looks like somebody has left some sort of low carb diet link here. So like as people are reading these responses, they're going to click on it. Guys, the site gets, over, 500 million visitors a month. So there's not a lack of questions that you could find in Yahoo Answers. So, I just went into cooking. There is every single niche possible that you can potentially think of. And then you can match these questions up with Clickbank products. And of course, you have tons of categories here in Clickbank that stem from art and entertainment, business, computers, e-business, employment, games, green products, health and fitness, home gardening, language, parenting. They got politics in here. They had a lot of stuff going on about politics in there. We just saw. It's just endless. So, literally, you don't have to spend any money. You don't have to create a website. All you have to do is take out a little bit of time and find products on Clickbank, match it up with people that are already asking questions here at Yahoo Answers, and then you post a good response, and then you post your affiliate link in your response. So people will start, going to that affiliate link. And you can do this for multiple products. So for instance, if you wanted to, pick like the ketosis cookbook, so you could go and find all the questions that talked about ketosis. And then, try to respond to as many of these threads as possible with your response and then your affiliate link. And then once you've done all of those, well, then you could go back to Clickbank and say, okay, well, I'm going to jump over into health and fitness and let me see, maybe I want to respond to some people about how to lose belly fat. So then I could go over here and we could type in, belly fat and look at these questions and see what we could do to respond to some of these questions and then recommend that product. And you just continue to do that. You continue to do that and you just build up this portfolio of questions, responses, and products within Yahoo Answers. And you're going to get a ton of traffic and you're going to make some sales because it's just the nature. People are going to, a percentage of people are going to click on that link and a percentage of people are going to purchase. But the good thing is like once it's done, it's done. And you don't want to make your responses spammy though. You want to be sure that you give a good response, because if it's too spammy, the people in here, they could smell it a mile away and they could like thumb down your comment. And sometimes you can even get your comments removed from Yahoo Answers. So definitely make sure that you just be ethical with your answers and don't lie and stuff like that. Just be ethical, and then you just recommend the product, right? The other thing I want to show you guys is what you could do is you could go over to Fiverr. I actually found this gig just a minute ago before I did this video, and this is just one of the gigs I pulled up, but there was several of them, and it says, I will promote your website from a level 3 Yahoo Answers. I don't know what level 3 Yahoo Answers really means, but basically what she's saying in this gig is for $5, I will promote and boost your website by answering 20 Yahoo Answers. So essentially, guys, for $5, I could have, this young lady go in here and respond to 20 different ketosis diet questions, right? And she does the content. You don't even have to worry about it, which is, probably a lot more productive for you. So you're not actually doing all the work. So, but if you have like no money to invest, or, you're working on a shoestring budget, you can just go ahead and just get the responses yourself. You can just pull it off the internet. But you could also, outsource this, look at this, $15, 60 Yahoo Answers. I mean, you think you could get some traffic to your website with that? I think you can, guys. So, that's all I have for now. This is how you would make some Clickbank sales step by step with no website. This is John from johnmcdill.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.